Want this? Well, the first step would be to create a new project. We take the video to the timeline. Click here. Right-click here. Add node. Checker. And move it to the timeline until it is yellow. Now click here. Here you select the shape of what you want to censor. In my case, as it is a face, it will be the circular shape. You adjust it. Once adjusted, go to Effects. Search for Gaussian Blur. And take it here. Here you can adjust the intensity of the blur to your liking. Well, if the video has movement, you will have to move this to the beginning and adjust this. Now we'll do the tracking. Click here and click here and wait for the program to do the tracking automatically. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like, a subscribe, and also leave me a shout out in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you.